Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to go over the unboxing of the Go lift, and it's made by ComfyGo. Now this lift is a scissor lift that is used to lift folding power wheelchairs and folding mobility scooters as long as they weigh under 110 pounds. It'll lift it up to the level of the trunk of your car or the back of your SUV. And once it's at that level, you would lock the wheels into place, and then you could transfer the unit into the back of your vehicle, and then you lower it back down with a remote, and you put it in your car. The lift only weighs 25 pounds, but it can lift up to 110 pounds. So that when you get to your destination, when you need to unload it, you would lift it up to the level of the trunk of your car, and you transport the folding power chair or the folding mobility scooter onto this lift, and you lower it back down. So this is just a convenient way to transport these folding power wheelchairs or folding mobility scooters. A lot of them are advertised as being lightweight, but they're not really lightweight. So if it weighs 50 pounds or 60 pounds, yes, that's lightweight for the industry, but for a lot of people, that's pretty heavy. So if you don't have someone to help you with lifting the unit into your car, this is a great solution. So we're just gonna go over the unboxing just to show you more about what the unboxing is like. There's actually no assembly for this. So the first thing you're gonna do is cut the strap off and then cut the tape all around the box. And then if I open it up, there's a lift already assembled. So what I'm gonna do is actually put it on its side and then take it out on the wheels. So if you're capable of lifting the 25 pounds up like that, which I think a lot of people are, you can lift it right up. So I was gonna put it on the side and take it out, but then I remember it's only 25 pounds. So as far as what else is in the box, you have your charger, you have your user manual as well, and that's all that's in the box. Now I believe the battery is already attached to it. It also has these straps, so when you put your mobility device on here, you can strap it down into place. This platform, when it's folded, it is 29 and a half inches by 19 inches, and the height is 9.5 inches. But when you lift it up to the maximum level, the height goes up to 32.8 inches, so almost 33 inches. All right, so one thing you have to do when you first receive this, the battery's hooked up, but you can see right here, there is a power button right there. So I need to turn this on. I'm sorry, I had it turned on, so now I've turned it on. And when you turn it on, the remote lights up. So in order to lift it, you press the plus button. And now we're lifting up to the level of the trunk of the car. Let me get this wire out from underneath of here. We'll get to the maximum height. Let's see, this is the max height here. So definitely it is tall enough for the trunk of a vehicle. Another great thing about it is approved for airline travel. So if you needed this to travel with your mobility device, and if the mobility device is airline approved, then you can bring that and the Go lift. So a couple things to note about it. Again, it weighs 25 pounds, can lift up to 110 pounds. And this is just a great solution. So a lot of mobility devices, like if you want to travel with it and it's too heavy for you, your other option is to get a lift on the back of your vehicle. And that can be a process because you have to make sure that your vehicle is compatible with the device you have. You have to get the right lift. You have to get it installed. It's much more expensive. This is a lot more affordable, especially if you have a folding unit. So if you have a unit that that weighs under that amount and it folds into one piece, whether it's a mobility scooter or folding power wheelchair. This is something that we definitely recommend to our customers. It's just easier to transport. So to test the weight, I do have some weights I'm going to show you to prove that it can lift that. So I have this dumbbell, and this weighs 52.5 pounds. So I'll put one on one side, and I'll put the other on the other side. So right now we have 105 pounds. And let's see how it does with lifting this. Now, I was definitely putting some pressure on it. Most folding power wheelchairs are not going to weigh this much. They're going to weigh about 50 or 60 pounds. But you can see it still lifts it. So once you get to the level of the trunk of your car, you're going to turn these wheels, lock them into place. And that just ensures that the wheels don't continuously move. So it's easy to lift the unit on and off here. So now it's locked into place. And that's pretty much it. So you can see it's pretty easy to unbox. There's really no assembly, and it's just a great lift. It's really a great solution for someone that wants to travel with their folding mobility scooter or folding power wheelchair, and they don't want to purchase an expensive lift. This is a more affordable option, and this is something that we recommend to a lot of our customers. So if you have any questions about the Go Lift or any of ComfyGo's products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or you can just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Guys, have a great day.